Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make Gemini photos HD quality. To start, focus on your initial prompt. Use clear, descriptive language to tell Gemini exactly what you envision. Include keywords like high resolution and crisp details to guide the AI. Also, describe specific elements such as lighting, camera angles, and textures to achieve a more photorealistic and detailed result from the very first generation. Next, refine your image by adding specific artistic styles or photographic techniques to your prompt. For instance, request a cinematic photo or an oil painting style. You can also specify color palettes, moods, or atmospheric elements like warm lighting or subtle shadows. If you are editing an existing photo, ensure your uploaded base image is clear and well-lit for the best outcome. If your generated image isn't quite high definition, consider using an external AI upscaling tool. These specialized services, often available online, can intelligently increase your image's resolution by adding new pixels. They enhance fine details, sharpen edges, and effectively reduce any noise or blurriness. Many platforms offer free trials, allowing you to upscale images by 2, 4, or even 8 times their original size. Finally, leverage Gemini's conversational capabilities for iterative refinement. You can make precise edits by simply describing the changes you want. If you notice image quality declining after generating several images, start a new chat session to refresh the AI's context. Also, ensure your web browser has hardware acceleration enabled for optimal performance and smoother image rendering.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.